Congratulations on completing the Super Bowl quiz. You've gained valuable insights into your strengths and strategic steps to take. Now that you know your bounce, let's dive deeper. A high bounce means we'll craft a winning strategy to harness your potential. We've seen it all. I discovered Super Bowl syndrome. I am Coach Lorianne, and I too am a Super Bowl. Picture this. I found myself folding laundry in the middle of the week, but in reality, I was avoiding something important. I had put off making a crucial phone call for weeks, fearing rejection. Now, we've all made justifiable excuses to distract ourselves, right? But I realized that awareness is the first key to success. We must be conscious of what's holding us back. And I discovered how to embrace our Super Bowl energy without dampening our creativity or drive. So let's uncover what's deflecting us from greatness. Together, we'll remove all excuses, empowering you to focus on your true potential. Believe in the force of nature within you and watch how it sharpens your focus. Awareness opens doors to endless options and choices. It's time to step into your greatness. Take charge of your journey today and unlock your full potential. Join us on this transformative path. Embrace your Super Bowl energy. Are you ready to take action? Well, I invite you to book a free discovery call with me right now. We'll dive deeper into your bounce, what it means, and how to use it to your advantage. Click below, and if you allow me, I really look forward to taking this journey with you. Here's to your inspired, boundless success. I am Coach Lorianne.